DoubleZ range is available in the 4mm, the 9mm and the 13mm. They all come with a 30mm topping on them and a base plate made of high grade aluminium. The 9mm and the 13mm both have the anchoring pins, but the 4mm doesn't. All of these products are available in all 10 colours, and again they come in lengths of 0.9, 1.8 and 2.7. The 13mm is actually designed for your higher density, thicker pile carpets. This works exactly the same as the 9mm DoubleZ. Whenever you're working with a stretch fit system, you must be raising the base to make sure that your anchoring pins get optimal penetration into the backing of the carpet. If I was working with this with a thicker underlay, once the carpet goes in, it would miss the back set of pins and just grab hold of the front ones. By raising the base, allows these back pins to get a good hold as well. These bars are supplied with an MDF spacer. You cut these spacers down to the width of your base plate and you put one underneath each nail hole. If you're mechanically fixing, always use ring shank nails, but if you are sticking to a solid substrate, check with manufacturer and use the appropriate primer and adhesives. Once I've installed the bar itself, I can bring the underlay up to it. You can see there it's actually raised that base, not quite level with the underlay, but close enough to get a good penetration with the pins. As it's designed for the thicker products, I'll just take a piece of this jacaranda and feed that in. This product from Jacaranda, you wouldn't be able to get into the 9mm profile. So as I feed it into the 13mm, you can actually see it's nice and tight up against the underside of the top piece. These bars are designed to be dressed down with a Z section through the middle. That's compressible. Just use a piece of wood with a bit of fabric attached to it and very gently tap it with a mallet, bringing that bar down flat. That will clamp everything into position. If you are working in areas where you have to power stretch away or into a door bar, the anchoring pins are only aluminium and they do need reinforcing. So what you'd do is you'd actually have to run some blind gripper underneath your base plate to bring it up the same level as your gripper rod, and then run some gripper in front, giving you a stronger, wider anchoring point.